Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to use AliExpress Welcome Deal. So open AliExpress on your device, and at homepage you should look for the banner Welcome Deal. So here it is, and pay attention that this Welcome Deal usually gives a discount or coupon just for the first order. So then add the item to your cart that you want to order, for example this one. At the bottom right corner of your screen you see red button buy now, so press it, proceed, and choose your payment method and basically confirm your order. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.